Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is going to be $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a McDonald's going 5.5 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Yeah, thank you. Total for that order was $10. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Please bring them in here.
Hear you, but I don't see you. Oh, there you are.
Can you bring them in here?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $10. I am liking this trend so far today, and we just got the next order. This is a human bean. This one is going 4.5 miles.
This for you.
Thank you.
Yes, have a good day.
You too. I just had to open my mouth, didn't I? No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This one is going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. No tip on that. Total ended up being $5. Very good, very good. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee going 4 miles. Never mind on that one, actually. I looked at the drop-off address and it was a no tip, so we're just not gonna bother with that one today. Apparently, I'm being punished for not going through with that last order, because now I've been sitting here for 10 minutes. Nothing has come in. Oh, okay, now I'm really getting punished. Next order up is a Victor Rico's going 9 miles. Thank you. Ooh, $1 tip on that one. Very nice. Total ended up being $10. And we've got the next order right away. We've got a Black Rock coffee going 4 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
I had a feeling, and I was right. $2 tip on that one. Total ended up being $5. Would you rather take the $10 order with a $1 tip that was like 10 miles or whatever I said it was, or the $5 order with a $2 tip that was like 4 miles? Tough one, isn't it? Next order up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one's going 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $7. Not bad. Finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $9 going 5 miles, 4 items. Just left the store, and I think they just gave me an order for a different Walgreens. That one's gonna be $8 going 5 miles, only 1 item. Mirador. Note from customer says, I try meaning time changing the address. I do not know, as in N-O, why it blank I am blank. Okay. I don't know why they gave me a bag. You have a good day. I don't know why, but I've got a good feeling about this order. Or maybe I'm just on something, but we're gonna take it anyways. We got a Chick-fil-A going across the river. This one is going 7.5 miles. Thank you.
Pleasure. Have a good one.
You too. All right, total for that order was $18. Was that worth it? It was decent. Took me about 20 minutes to do, but I do have to drive back into my zone, so that's kind of annoying. Next up, we've got a Panera going 5 miles. On the offer screen, it said it was going to give me bonus pay for leaving my zone, but technically I'm not even heading back into my zone yet. Going halfway across the river and then coming back, so I mean, they don't gotta know that, right? Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Bit of a wait there, but we got it. What does this say? Call when at the gate and I will come out to you. Thank you. Okay.
Hello.
Oh, I had your DoorDash.
I'm right behind you.
Oh, are you? Oh, I see you. My bad. I'll be right there. Total for that order was $10. Okay, I'm finally crossing the bridge back into my zone. Trying to get one more order before I call it. Okay, we got something. We've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Wendy's and Black Rock Coffee going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Yeah, for Rebecca?
Rebecca?
Yes.
Okay, I have that right here for you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Yikes. No tip on either of those. And total for those was $8. We're gonna call it here. Current time is 10:36. Total, we ended up with 106. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.